Colleen Lindholz, president of Kroger Health. The Kroger Company is a national grocery chain that spans across 35 states. We have 2,700 grocery stores, 22 plus 100 pharmacies, and 221 retail clinics. My favorite role on what I do in my job as the president of Kroger Health is really living our vision of helping people live healthier lives. And that's one of the reasons we're so excited to be here at Health 2025, because we aspire to change the way healthcare is delivered in the United States of America with a focus on prevention, a focus on the component of nutrition and food and healthcare overall. So I'm really excited to be here to really collaborate and connect with people that I never have before, to really find the right partners that are going to help us reach our overall goals. So far, my favorite thing has been meeting new people. I've met a ton of new people over the last day and a half that I've never met before. And what's so special about it is the aligned vision and values that we all share. I think sometimes we're working in silos overall in healthcare, but the people that I'm meeting, we're going to connect the dots and really, I think, make major progress that the country truly needs. Health has done a really great job of helping us find the right people. I think with the various panels and the different sessions that we know that we're interested in, we're meeting people there, connecting with people like never before. And actually last year, we found 2 major partners here at Health that we've been working with. So I'm just happy to continue the journey and to really, again, be able to change the trajectory of chronic disease in the United States, because we're at that spot and we all know it. You know, we spend more money than anyone else does in the world on healthcare in the US, yet we rank 29th or 30th in outcomes. And quite frankly, a lot of people at this convention aren't okay with that. So we are doing some what we call intentional collaboration and finding ways to come up with solutions that are about real people, real life, like right in the communities where we serve. That's where we come in as Kroger. Our access points are tremendous, and we can really make a difference with the solutions that are coming out for preventative. Favorite part, first of all, this year we were in a great position. We're right here as people are entering in, and I love it too because we're trying to build our own brand. So people either to know what Kroger Health is and what we are doing, what we aspire to do. I think my favorite part so far is yesterday, after I was on a panel to talk about solving the puzzle, basically, of prevention in the country before it solves us. I got to be on the panel with a couple of really amazing doctors, but afterwards I spent over 3 hours actually standing in the same position here in my booth, just people visiting us, really wanting to talk about the shared vision that we have and how we can continue to collaborate and work better together. For the panel that I was on, it was titled Solving the Prevention Puzzle Before It Solves Us. And I think what was so great about it is us just really understanding that our country's framework for healthcare is really built around treating illness, not wellness. And that we really do need to move to a position of where wellness is a main focus overall in the country. I loved being on the panel with the American Medical Association's CEO, and just to really talk about how physicians and then people like pharmacists and nurse practitioners and dietitians can work better together, all in an effort to increase the health outcomes of the people in our country. So I think coming out of that panel, I also love it that I'm going to connect with both physicians that were on the panel. So it's another opportunity for us to work together. I'm looking forward to what's next. Not only the health conference for next year, but the Kroger Company, we are the founding members of Nourishing Change. Not sure if you've heard about Nourishing Change, but we held Nourishing Change, which was the first ever conference of its kind, where we brought retailers together, not just from what traditional retailers are that we think of, but from like the people academia-wise. We brought academia together, retailers and innovators into Cincinnati this past year in May to really reimagine what retail health can really be. I'm excited because we're holding our next Nourishing Change conference in 2026, actually in Des Moines, Iowa, the headquarters of Hy-Vee. One of my most influential moments, I think, in my career was to see the competition actually come together in a meeting like never before to come up with solutions for the country. I mean, that's really special to me because what we want to do, it cannot be done alone. We've realized that for quite some time. So we announced here at Health a really big announcement yesterday that we have formed a steering committee of basically multiple retailers, pharmacists, and really pharmacies, and health innovators across the country to really reimagine what retail health can be. We're forming a clinically integrated network that comes together and really breaks down silos to bring solutions that have never been there. So I see the Kroger Company and health in the near future as being really a catalyst for true change in the United States of America. It is the retailers in this country, in my opinion, on where prevention and prevention services need to happen right in the communities. Real people, real health, and real solutions for where people are. You can't change behavior, unless you're actually where people are. And that's what the advantage that we have, are the access points, or the access points of the retailers across the whole nation. So we help, in collaboration with health, to be a catalyst for that change. I believe what's missing in prevention today is the ability for people to actually make healthy easy. And what we've been doing at Kroger is we've been building a nutrition scoring system for quite some time, really bringing transparency to the food that we're selling and also making it easier for customers to make the healthier food choice. We make it simple, we make it measurable, and we're making it trackable. And so OptUp is a nutrition scoring system that really scores items on our shelf from 1 to 100. Closer to 100 being the item that's better for you or has a higher nutrition density score overall. I think those types of things are a catalyst to really changing prevention. I do believe that you are what you eat, and our country's in the position that we're in mostly because of what we put in our mouths. So we are out to change and transform the food system overall. We're trying to lead this movement, and we hope that others adopt it. So I really hope the attendees that have visited our booth over the last couple of days really walk away with the feeling that we are transforming the country, that we are looking for partners that are willing to be at risk, to really do things differently, do things that have never been done before in order to get better results.